Say what?
No, go on.
I ain't going anywhere. I'm sitting down.
Itches.
Well, there's an eyeball in there. Well, I guess we had a bad kill switch on that deal this morning. So, did some tests. I cleaned up some stuff that somebody else did wiring to. And then, I checked the continuity. I'm like, I got signal. And finally, I just took the kill switch out of the circuit, and the thing fired right up. So go figure.
Gold member. Is that what you said?
No, I said go figure. What? You heard that all wrong. And weird thing is, like, it's brand new. And it's a good one too. It's a Sierra, which I know that's not Johnson Evinrude, but it's Sierra. And I mean, I still have the keys out here now. See, I took the kill switch out because it working. I ordered another one. You can order these where you can have where it's engaged, it's continuity, or not engaged, or not. That makes sense anyway. Fires right up. Did I kill it? What the hell? Well, that just figures. What the hell? Now one side of the engine's power packs just decided to die. I took the kill wires off so that I could get it started. I guess I get it back on his trailer and get it in back to the house and try to figure out what's going on. They do have like this wire going over, and it's kind of, I don't know, it doesn't make sense. But hey, at least our water pressure gauge is working now. That's kind of interesting. Not one thing, there's three things. I don't know what to think about that. Brand new kill switch. And then whenever I ohm it out with the meter, it's working just fine. But so when I have the plunger just like pushed in, which would be like the kill switch is, the terminology is weird. Like I'm gonna say engaged means that like this thing is like your lanyard's on the switch, so the plunger's in, right? And there should be no continuity. But my resistance is something like 3K, and I think it should be like much higher, maybe into the mega ohm range or something like that. And then when you pull the lanyard, the plunger's out, then it goes to continuity. So then it puts ground to the black and yellow wire, and that kills the power packs. Get a little exercise. Alright. I have to edit it from here. Yeah, there's the music again. Basically, I gotta narrate this. Might as well talk it through while I'm doing it. But I got a trim problem. There's a lid in the back where the relays live. Okay, that's where the relays live, right there. I'm gonna take it off with this. That's not the right size, of course. Get that lid off. All right, so back here, there's a whole bunch of, connections. It's like 1/4 inch. I'm going on the blue. Remember, blue is sky, green would be down. And then I've got just jumper wires. One to ground over here. And then the other one up there. So, then I got my test light right here, and I think I just basically want to see if that thing will light up. And until I can get this trim to act up, because it'll work fine right now. You know, maybe, hopefully I didn't blow a fuse. I don't think so. I don't have up or down now. So the motor works. I think I got it figured out. So there's this connector. It's way up there. And that's what it is. This connector right here. Because as soon as so, you need to get that connector loose or cut it out. And there's, I don't know, that's almost 2 hours. And essentially, the only thing I can really figure out is it's maybe in the harness. I don't think it's that switch that, you know, I'm getting voltage back to the relay. Maybe there's some bad grounds. This was happening before I even touched it. It had to be. Because, you know, it wouldn't just start doing that. And whenever I jump her, you know, the hot to say the blue, then it you know, the motor, I mean, it does fine. Even though it's probably 35 years old, it's still working. So to replace that motor, you know, because it's been down in the water for however long, it could be easy, it could be kind of hard, just it kind of depends. Have to have it at my house. And then there again, you know, like I gotta go up and down on a ladder, and man, that boat sucks because you gotta go all the way to the top. So I'm gonna be done with this, man. I gotta be done with it. All right, what's happening? I mean, you can tell me, you can comment down somewhere, I don't know. Alright, I'm getting ready to go out to the marina. And that McKee Craft boat, it's about to drive me crazy. The issue is the tilt and trim is not working. And the main issue is trying to diagnose it. What is wrong? So, like, I went out there, soldered up that switch, which is, you know, I don't know if it's the switch or not. It's intermittent. These are the hardest ones. And so, yeah, it's intermittent. What do I do about it? Well, how do I diagnose it? I'm sorry, I'm trying to do a little connector here, and so the tilt and trim is not working right, like it's intermittent. So is it that switch, which from the crappy Amazon box, or is it the harness, or is it the relays, or is it the motor? And at this point, I'm not real sure, just to be honest about it. The problem is, you know, it's intermittent. Usually you can tell, yeah, it's a bad motor, it's a bad switch, you know, you can figure it out. You can usually figure it out. Like it, but this one, is not that way. Can't figure it out. I don't know what it is. I'm gonna go out there and see if I can't figure it out. But alright, getting ready to go into the marina. Of course, I can't find my key. It figures. I mean, the only thing I don't like about this Ford is that center console thing flips up. Sometimes you don't have that drawer just right, you know, goes open, and I don't know if it was in there, if I put it somewhere else. I didn't grab everything because, well, I didn't want to take everything out there. I mean, I got bobs, I guess. Guess it's in there somewhere. Hopefully it didn't fall out. I won't be able to, I don't know, film a ton because it's, they got music playing. Usually. Maybe they won't this time. We'll see. I'll be back. Took the cover off. Took this off. This. See, they got all this extra wire. I think we can just go. So I'm going to take this side off. This should be hot. There's two hots. There's ground. Cycle this thing up and down a few times. I've disconnected that their switch and their whole thing, so hopefully we can figure this out. All right, back from the dock, and basically I just used my little box I made. I kind of taught myself something in a way, and what I did was just bypass his harness, bypass his switch, just completely take it out of the loop, and then hook in my little box I made, which really all I need is just a little bitty one, you know, and something that I can, but I need a momentary switch so I can take it, toggle it up and down. It did the same thing. So I know it's not a relay because I brought a new relay out, installed it. It did the same exact thing. So the relays are fine. They're old, but they're fine. So It's the motor. And the motor, I guess, gets its ground from the, being attached to the engine. It's either ground or it's hot. So like say green was ground and hot would be blue, it goes up. And then it goes polarity, and it goes, ground is blue and green is hot, it goes down. That's it. So that is fine. I'm almost 110% sure we got us a bad motor. So I got his tag. I'm going to go and I'm going to research some parts and basically giving him a basic estimate, but I really don't know how easy or how bad. Really need to flush the entire system, get all that old hydraulic fluid out of there, and then put in new hydraulic fluid. And let's hope that he doesn't get a bad seal, because it's a very old hydraulic unit. So it's working fine. It's probably fine. It did sound like maybe it had some old fluid. Replace all that old fluid, put new fluid in it, and then put a new motor on it. Thanks for watching all the way through. You're part of our awesome community. Love this video? Hit subscribe for more adventures. The best way to support us is at HawkeyeMarine.net. Shop outboard powerheads, lower units, and top quality boat parts. It fuels our content and keeps you on the water. Visit today. We'll see you next time.